If you're searching for the best BCS-501 database management system, or DBMS, study material for AKTU B.Tech 5th semester, this all-in-one PDF is exactly what you need. Instead of collecting resources from different places, you'll get everything in one package, including premium handwritten notes, the latest quantum, previous year questions, important unit-wise questions, and video lecture links. The PDF covers all major DBMS topics such as the ER model, relational model, SQL, normalization, functional dependencies, transactions, concurrency control, database recovery, security, and query processing in an easy-to-understand, exam-oriented format. Whether you're preparing for semester exams, internal tests, or back paper exams, this complete study material will help you revise faster, understand concepts clearly, and score better marks. If you find this resource helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Download the complete BCS-501 DBMS all-in-one PDF from the link in the description below, and start your exam preparation today.